Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a glam graduation makeup look for you. I know I've been away for so long, but I am finally done and I finally have some free time. So we're just gonna jump on into the tutorial. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so of course we are starting with our Morphe 35O palette because come on, I just don't buy new makeup palettes because why would I? So we're just gonna jump on in. We're gonna be using a bunch of different colors, but they're all gonna come together really nicely. And this is a smoky but natural, but not really makeup look. So we're just gonna go for it. So I'm gonna be taking this brown here and mixing it with a little bit of this one here. So we're just gonna be taking this on a big fluffy brush. And looking now, we're just gonna start windshield wiper motions all over our eyes. And then we're gonna pick up this same first light brown shade with a little bit similar tan color, and we're just gonna work that in to our existing colors on the inner corner. So we don't want the inner corner to be super dark because that'll make our eyes look a little tired and closed, and we just don't want that. So I'm just gonna keep picking up a little bit of this brown. It's like a, how do I describe that? Red, it's like a warm brown, and we're just gonna lightly dust that more on the outer corner. So just start picking up this base, and then we're just gonna bring it down, and then on a smaller, less fluffy brush, we're gonna take that same brown again. But now we're going to start on our lash line and bring it up to meet the two together. So we're just connecting the two browns, but we have a little bit more control with this brush. And then I'm going to pick up a little bit more and start to run it underneath my lash line on the bottom. Alright, so now I'm going to take this same brush and I'm going to pick up a little bit orange, a little bit of this orange, not these bright ones, but this like light one. And we're just gonna put that lower, closer to our entire lid space. I'm gonna pick up this dark brown here, very lightly. Make sure you tap off that excess. And we're gonna start on the lash line, the bottom one, the top lash line. You know what I mean. And we're just gonna start to smoke this up. So we got this brown smoke going on. It's very neutral undertones. But we're just trying to bring it up a little bit on the outer V because we just want our lashes to pop. So I picked up a little bit of this brown. This is the same one that's actually in my brows. And we're just gonna pick it up a little bit of those. So it's like a chocolate and a warm, but still very dark brown. We're just gonna take that right here and then we're gonna swoop it up to the dark browns that's getting added. What's over left, I'm just gonna run underneath my eye and then again just blend. So that's what we got going. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this with this brown, just to create a little bit more dimension on this outer. Alright, now we're going to move on to our lid, and I'm going to be using my favorite color out of this palette, which is this silvery gold pink shade. I know that's a lot of words, but it just works. So we're going to pick this up on a damp, I was going to say sponge, but a damp brush just so you can get really the most pigment possible. I'm gonna lay this. Now taking the same thinner brush, I'm just going to pick up the warm brown and just buff that into the shadows. So this is the eyeshadow. Now we're just gonna put it all together with some mascara. I'm using the Telescopic Carbon Black. And I like to apply mascara before I do my lashes, just so that there's no peekaboo. Alright, while I let this dry, I'm going to be using the Samantha lashes by HudaBeauty. Yes, this is actually my first ever pair of HudaBeauty lashes. And when we took our graduation photos, just for like me and my friends, before, they were so gorgeous on. Oh my god, there's something in my eye. Alright, so now, jeez. So I'm going to be using my favorite Colourpop in Smoke and Whistles, just so we're dating it everywhere. So we're just gonna set it all in place with our setting spray. This is the DermaBlend Professional Set and Refresh. Make sure you got something nearby to wind it down. So very extra, yes. But we want to keep this in place all day long because it's going to be summer, and at least here it's really humid, so we don't want this dripping anywhere. And this, guys, is the finished makeup look. I really hope you did enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys do this graduation glam, and congratulations to the class of 2018. We did it. Here's ones for us. Take care. Bye.